When was the last time you cut it?
So I've cut it like about 6 months ago, but it was like wet cut and there wasn't so much. But I kind of did some of it on my own.
Okay, yeah, you had to fix it a little bit?
Yeah, because I used to straighten my hair a lot and I had some damage at the bottom.
Okay.
But it's been almost 3 years since I've actually straightened it. So yeah.
Nice. Well, I love your curls.
Thank you.
I would hate for you to want to straighten those.
I'm embracing it now.
What's bugging you about your hair right now?
I feel like I want more shape to it, but like more layers and like very gradual, like blending layers. I don't know.
I think I hear that. Yeah.
Yeah, like just to give me like more of that, not fro, but like
a bigger shape.
Bigger shape, yeah.
Right now, we've got this, and then we've got a hard line kind of going in. I think you're talking about kind of just evening some things out. Maybe lose that corner there to where it's like a softer kind of come around there. I like where you part it. Is this the typical spot?
Yeah, always.
Good. I love that. That'll be fun to work with. Just how goes detangling for you? I see that it's lightened.
Yeah, it's not too bad because I always do it in the shower.
Okay.
And then the thing is, because I didn't know how it looked like without any product, I've always kind of left the conditioner on. So like afterwards, it's just smooth for me when I detangle it. I've never had issues, but I leave the conditioner on.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And we're not doing that anymore.
I leave the conditioner on.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And we're not doing that anymore.
Well, not today, but I mean, after today, if you tell me don't do that, I won't do that.
So there's plenty of products that are formulated to leave in your hair.
Yeah.
And conditioner is not one of them. The reason why you get so much slip with the conditioner is because of the amount of oils that are in there. And that's a good thing. Like the way that it's intended is you shampoo, that conditioner is supposed to kind of like help rebalance everything out. And also for you to have a lot of slip for detangling.
Yeah.
And I get it. You're going to see a lot of definition there. Like, I'll just leave it in there. But you doing that is going to make it totally saturated with oils and completely repel water and moisture, and it's going to dry you out. So I'm all for you having fun with color as long as you got the foundation to stand on, but if you do things like that, you'll dry out and you'll get breakage because it gets so dry, and then that's going to really exacerbate any knots, making the detangling that much more difficult, which I'd rather you not have to deal with. So you haven't used heat in 3 years, like you said. We'll get you to stop leaving conditioner in there. We'll show you a different way to do that. You don't sleep with it wet, do you?
No, I never do.
Perfect. Yeah, you're good. I think this is going to be a pretty simple. What's the ultimate goal? Are you wanting to go real long, or you enjoy like that shorter shape?
I like the shorter shape. Eventually, I do want the length. I've never been to an actual like professional curly hair expert.
Well, I'll try not to let you down.
Thanks. I do want the length, but because I didn't really have like the best cut in the
it's hard to start there.
I kind of go back to short. Definitely want something that will match my curls.
Right now, I'm like seeing you got a little bit of space here. If I needed to move this up a little bit, where would you be mad at me?
Well, honestly, I won't be mad at all. I don't care. Like, you do what you think looks best.
Okay.
What will look good, and I won't be mad. It's just, I know my hair will grow out eventually.
For sure.
And I trust you.
Cool. I'm excited to do it. Love how much density you have here. You've got a lot of room to play. We can make some really, really fun shapes here.
Nice.
You did a good job on the detangle. I know this is it's a lot of work.
Yeah.